Have you ever found yourself struggling with data manipulation in Python, only to be left scratching your head? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Pandas GroupBy with a delimiter join. I totally get it. Working with data can be tricky, especially when you want to group values and format them just right. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when using Pandas. Let's take a look at the specific question from our viewer, AP. They tried to group rows with multiple values using Pandas, but the output wasn't what they expected. They wanted to introduce a delimiter to separate the values, but ended up with a jumbled result. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what's going wrong here? When using the sum function in Pandas, it concatenates the strings without any delimiters. This is why AP ended up with a single string instead of the desired format. Let's break down the solution step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your data manipulation tasks much easier. To achieve the desired output with a delimiter, the user should first group the data by the specified column. This can be done using the GroupBy method in Pandas. Next, the user needs to join the values in each group with the desired delimiter. In this case, the user wants to use a hyphen. Now the user can convert the group data back into a data frame for better readability. This will help in visualizing the output clearly. Finally, the user can print the result to see the output formatted with the hyphen as a delimiter between the values. Fun fact, did you know that the Pandas library is named after the term panel data? It's a powerful tool for data analysis, and it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the apply function instead of sum. They recommend grouping by the column and then applying a lambda function to join the values with a delimiter. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to check the functions you are using in Pandas. Sometimes a small change can make a big difference in your results. And there you have it. You should now be able to group your data with a delimiter successfully. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your own data challenges in the comments.